to turn off TalkBack on the Samsung S26 Ultra, first of all you have to open the settings, and if you have a settings like for example here, you have to just click on them once and then quickly double tap. This is the way to open anything that you are selecting in this mode. Even when I'm gonna go back to the home screen, I have to select and then quickly double tap. If you cannot find it, for example, you've got the settings icon in the up drawer, you have to use your two fingers to swipe left, right, or to scroll up and down. With a one finger, it's not working, as you can see. So now just go for settings, as I said before, click on it once and then quickly double tap when you got this frame around your object. Go like all the way down for accessibility, just click once and then double tap, then do the same for the TalkBack. If something is not working, you will have to repeat this. Go for turn off, select turn off, and as you can see now it's gone.